Welcome to Unboxing Solutions, where we unwrap more than packages, we unwrap possibility. Every tool you see is chosen with care, purpose, and real-life use in mind. If what you create deserves to be opened, explored, and put to work, this is that space.
All right, this is Unbox Solutions with me. And let's get the right thing up here. There we go. Yes, this is Unbox Solutions with me. Thank you for staying with us. This has been Refresh, Relax, Renew. So far, I'm Coach Racquel, and now we are going to today's unboxing. And today I'm unboxing a couple of things. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Was that loud in your ears too? It was so loud in mine. All right. So today we have two Amazon packages, I believe. Yes, two Amazon packages that we're unboxing. Small products, real solutions. So today we're unboxing, and you see the first thing I'm doing is removing my name tags. Never dump your packages with your name tag and your personal data on it. Always remove your personal information, all right? So today we're unboxing several affordable products that solve everyday issues or problems or challenges. Because sometimes better living isn't about spending more, it's about finding better tools. So the featured products today, and we opened that one already. Yes, and always check to make sure your packages are completely empty, because I ended up dumping some stuff one day and I still regret it. Now this right here is okay, we're opening the next package. Let's go to the next package and then we'll tell you what's in them. All right. I love the sound of ripping it apart. Yeah. All right. Yes. Empty, totally empty. Make sure you check that you're not dumping anything that was not garbage. All right, so the first thing we're opening here is Joyclub Sublimation t-shirts. I think it's 3 white t-shirts, so we're not opening it yet. And this is face mask, skin 2.0 hyaluronic acid and collagen sheet masks. I've used it. I like it. Not sure what it does, but I like it. It keeps my face really cool. I'm not sure what happened after. And this is the dental floss, Razoko coconut oil dental floss. Really, really love them because they're it's threads. So that's the first thing we're opening is threaded floss. And I love thread floss. I don't like the plasticky one. It cuts my gums. So this one I really like because I feel like it grabs the stuff, you know. So yeah, so it's the Razoko coconut oil dental floss. Really like it. There it is. And then you're dumping the garbage. What's next? What are we opening next? All right. Okay, so this is the 7-in-1 USB hub. I'm actually using it right now. Right now, I have my mic plugged into it. My 2 lights are plugged into it as well. That's 1, 2, 3 things, yes. And then I plug it into the computer. Really very, very useful. Very useful. And you can plug it. It has the C. It has the USB, the C plug, the plug for your Mac, and it also has the USB for your for your desktop or whatever. You can use it for Apple and the other computers. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I'm using it right now. It's really, really good. Works perfectly. So that's the 7-in-1 USB hub. Nice. What's next? Right. This is the STRN toilet bowl freshener system. Really like it. I actually like it in the tank, but I also use it. You can use it in the bowl. I use it there too. It's just that when you put it in the tank, it dissolves faster, but I just love the color and I love the scent. And I like that it's 3 of the balls that goes in one of it. And it comes with, each of them come with a hook. Girl, show us what you're doing. That's me, by the way. We're opening it. So you can see what it looks like. I really, really like them. They really keep the toilet fresh. Really does. And this is not a sponsored video. This is just my daily solutions that I usually share with you. And there's another thing that I use with my toilet too that I really, really like. I think you'd have seen me pull it before, is the tablet. The tablet that you drop in the tablet, you can put it in the tank of the sink. It dissolves slower. But this, when I put it in, it was gone like in 2 days. Because I really like it in there, but it dissolves too quickly. That's what it looks like. There are like 3 of them, 3 balls in one of the thing. So it's best to put it in on the inside of the toilet bowl. So each time it flushes, you smell it smells really. Oh, it's 4 of them in it, yeah, and it has this nice color that I really like. I was doing it wrong. That's not how it's done. Yeah, but I really like it. I think I got it eventually. Come on, let's go. I put it in the wrong place. Actually, that part, the thing that you hang, the hook, you put it in the middle. Yeah, in the middle, and it's horizontal, not vertical. So we've opened the toilet bowl freshener, the USB hub, the dental floss, and now we're going to the t-shirts. These are the white t-shirts. What I really like about these t-shirts, they're very cool, but I wished I had gotten a larger size. It fits small. It fits small. I got another comment here. Some pretty cool products. Yes, indeed. Hello at Next Level Shopper. How are you? Thank you so much for joining me. Can I say who you are? It's so nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yeah, it is some pretty cool products, especially the floss is a good one, really, really good one. If you're someone who has your tender gums like me, I don't like to use the plasticky one because I don't like when it cuts me, like when that feeling that you feel against the gum. I don't like that feeling. So I like the threaded one. And also, another reason I like the thread and the fact that they put coconut oil in it. Coconut oil is healthy for your gums, for your what do they call it? They call it coconut rinsing. I haven't done that in a while. But they have this thing that you do, the coconut rinsing, it really works. And so I love that the dental floss has coconut in it. That's a t-shirt. I love the t-shirts that fit very well, but I'm a big girl, and I have, I wouldn't call it curves. I call it podges or lumps. So for me, I like things loose fitting personally. So, but the softness of the t-shirts, they are so soft, and it keeps you cool. I don't know if that's because of the color, but it keeps you really cool. But what I was saying about the floss is, these floss, it's not a promotion or anything, but it's really, really good because for me, when I use the floss that is plasticky, and it's not plastic, but that's the only way I know how to describe it. It doesn't remove everything from between my teeth. When I use the thread, and usually when I use it, I double it. And then I wiggle it around so that the things that are that in between my teeth or under the gum can come out. So that's why I love to use the thread, because it's more effective. It's proven to be more effective. Now, this is the face mask. I've used one so far, and it was pretty cool. I used it because the day was really hot, and I wanted my face to cool down. To be honest with you, I don't know what it did besides keeping my face cool. Because I didn't pay attention enough to really figure out what it's supposed to do. And then I haven't used all of them either. I just used the one so far. I'm not a beauty person. Like right now, I'm not wearing any makeup or anything. I just have some I use coconut oil. It's the oil that I put on my face. And there's this little shiny thing that I put on it as well. I did tonight. And it got away because I was really putting it on my hands and my chest, but then, I had to rub my face afterwards. But I'm not a girly girl in that. Well, I think I am a girly girl, but I'm not good with makeup and things. I think because of how I grew up, I didn't have access to those things. So, and I don't like makeup and stuff on my face. I like to manage the sweat if I'm doing something, like taking photos or whatever. But I'm not really what I like is I like experiences like massage, or if like I get like a deep face, like a deep cleaning, stuff like that. I like. I don't necessarily like packing things on top of it. I don't like to feel heavy, even on my skin. Even with lotion, I prefer to use oils than lotion, than creams. That's just, me. I prefer to use no soap than to use soap. I just don't like having solutions, or think not solutions, but things on my skin. That makes my skin feel heavy anyway. So that's what we were unboxing for today. Thank you at Next Level Shopper. Next Level Shopper, shop that your thing sounds very close to my unboxing segment. So thank you for that. Thank you so much.
Stop guessing. Start managing your people with confidence. If your business is growing, but your HR systems aren't, you're already feeling it. Miscommunication, burnout, turnover, and costly mistakes. The HR Resource Toolkit at sandrinedunkley.com/toolkit is your solution. This toolkit gives you practical HR tools you can use immediately. No fluff, no confusion, just structured, actionable support. Whether you're overwhelmed, under-resourced, or ready to level up, this is where you start. Access the toolkit now. sandrinedunkley.com/toolkit. HIDC, where structure meets strategy. People meet performance.
Every sound has a story. Every song is an adventure. From childhood dreams to moments of healing, reflection, creativity, and joy. Music Adventures TV is a growing library of original music designed to inspire listeners around the world. Music Adventures TV, bringing dreams to life through music.
Welcome to Unboxing Solutions, where we unwrap more than packages, we unwrap possibility. Every tool you see is chosen with care, purpose, and real-life use in mind. If what you create deserves to be opened, explored, and put to work, this is that space.